Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Christiana, and today I am so excited because we are unboxing my first Telfar bag. So if you don't know, Telfar is a vegan leather brand made by Telfar Clemens that has been around since the early 2010s, probably before that, but blew up recently with his shopping bag that has been out for a little while now. But they're super hard to get. They come in, I think, like 20 different colors, and I finally got my hands on one, which is the new pink Azalea bag. So I'm so excited to open this bag because I just needed a hot pink, a neon pink, or like a hot neon purple color, if that even is a thing. So finally it's here. Let's go ahead and unbox it because I'm so excited. Okay, so I have my knife. It just came in a black UPS box, but my address is on both sides. So we're going to, let's see, do this. Just the black box. I've seen some people have like a little sticker that says Telfar. Mine does not. Uh, doesn't have anything on it. So, sorry for all the noise. Ooh, that's the girl. But this is what it comes in. So it's just a plastic bag that has the Telfar logo. Front and back. It also comes in so the dust bag has the logo on it, and then the bag actually has the logo on it. And then there's just like the UPC that says that this is the Azalea color. I'm so sorry for all of that rattling. I know that's annoying. Please forgive me. But I just got a glimpse of this color. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Let's see. So let's take the dust bag out. So this is the dust bag. It just has the Telfar logo. Let me see if I can turn my ring light up so that the lighting will stop changing. Hopefully that's not washing me out too much. But yeah, it just has the Telfar logo. Nothing on the back. So I got the medium size because the small is just really small, and I wanted a new everyday bag so I can give my Neverfull a break because the straps are starting to wear on that one. This color, y'all, this color, it's so bright it's making my camera do something weird. Yo. On camera, it looks like it's pulling a little bit more hot or more of like a warm pink. It's more of like a cool pink, but it's bright. It's definitely is bright, but on camera I'm looking at it, so if you see me looking off, it's because I'm looking at it on camera. It's pulling more of like a, actually this one's pretty close down here. Up here it's looking a little bit warm, but it's more of, there we go, like a cool bright pink. This is so cute. Okay, so it just has this little piece on here holding the straps. I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and try this on. Okay, so it's not as big as it looks. It's definitely a nice size for everyday bag. You can wear it crossbody. Ooh. I'm looking at myself in my full length mirror. But yeah, this is what it looks like crossbody. I'm 5'2", so I'm pretty short. But I have big boobs and my little thickums. So yeah, this is what it looks like crossbody. So just a little big on the shoulder. Crossbody. shoulder, which, I mean, I might carry it like this if I feel like it's not going to keep slipping, because there's nothing in it and it's doing that, and I hate when my bags do that. But I can move and stuff and it's not falling off. And then of course you can carry just top handle. I didn't even get dressed because I really wanted to just hurry up and get this video up. So you can carry it top handle, crook of the arm. I don't think I would ever, I know some people don't like the straps hanging, but they're not bothering me. Yeah, I don't think I would tuck the straps in or anything, because that just seems annoying when you're trying to get stuff out of your bag. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Yeah, I feel like that's more annoying than just having the straps dangle. Like I said, I feel like this is more of a everyday bag versus like going out, maybe like to the mall or someplace. This is the inside. So and it opens flat. So it's more of a boxy shape. Just the silica beads, is that what they're called? Yeah, silica beads. There's a little tag that I'm gonna pop off eventually. The Telfar logo. If you guys can see that, the Telfar logo. Okay, yeah, so Telfar has been around since 2005. There's a little tag in here that just says, ooh, let me see if I can bring it closer for you guys. Telfar, established 2005 in NYC. Let's see how big this zippered pocket is. If I can get it open. Struggling. Okay, yeah, so that's the zippered pocket. So it's pretty big. Is there anything else? And then it just has a snap closure. Okay, so one thing to note, the zipper pocket is on the front of the bag. So there's the zippered pocket here. It's on the front of the bag with the logo versus it being on the back of the bag like everything else. Do I have my Neverfull to compare? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab my Neverfull so that we can compare. Okay, so I'm back. I went and grabbed my Neverfull to compare. So this is what they look like side by side. The Neverfull top handles are, let me see, longer than the shopping bag. But of course the Neverfull does not come with straps. This is what they look like side by side. The Telfar is just a little bit smaller as far as the width goes of the Neverfull. Don't know if you guys can really see that. So it's just a little bit smaller. This is the Telfar sitting. Let me slide back some. This is the Telfar sitting flat. And then this is the Neverfull sitting. So it's just a tad bit smaller. But what I was saying about the zipper is that most bags, the zippered pocket is here in the back. Whereas the Telfar bag, the zippered pocket is here in the front where the logo is. So that's a little different. I've never had a bag that the zipper part was in the front, so I kind of noticed that. The Telfar pocket on the inside is also a little bit bigger than the Neverfull in my opinion. But yeah, the Telfar just looks to be a little bit smaller, but more of a boxy shape, whereas the Neverfull has a little bit of a taper. So if you can see that. So it's just gonna be more of a boxy shape, but they're pretty comparable. And this is the medium Neverfull, the MM. So yeah, this is the MM Neverfull. This is the medium shopper from Telfar. So like I said, my straps are wearing on here, so I want to give it a little bit of a break. So I wanted a new everyday bag, and I just absolutely adored this color when I saw it, so I had to get it. So yeah, they're pretty comparable. I just think the Neverfull is probably going to be a little bit more roomy since it's not as structured. As you can see, I keep quite a bit of stuff in here. So yeah, I just think the Neverfull is going to be a little bit roomier since the pockets and sides like poof out, versus find somewhere to sit my bag, because my mom always told me don't sit your bag on the floor, you'll be broke. So we put that on the floor. Let's put that up there. Versus the Telfar bag, it's pretty, like, it's a structured boxy shape. So the Neverfull is going to be a little bit more roomy. But I mean, for $200 versus what is the Neverfull, 15, close to when you're done with taxes, I think this is a perfect everyday bag. Like I said, I'm just gonna have to get used to the zipper being on the front, because I'm so used to the zipper being on the back. I wonder if that's a mistake, or if I'm pretty sure that's done on purpose, but I've just never seen a bag with the zipper on the front. Yeah, so I don't have any tips on like securing the bag. Literally, this is my first time ever trying to purchase the Telfar bag, because the colors just didn't like always like stick out to me. I'm a more of a, you can't tell by my room, I like bright, bold things. And this pink, and had this been like a bright purple, I would have bought two. I would have bought a mini and a big and a medium. But yeah, so I don't have any tips on securing the bag, because I literally set me an alarm. I already had the page up. So if you don't know, when he's getting ready to launch a bag, or when they're getting ready to launch a bag, they'll put the bags up on the website. So, and it'll just say sold out or coming soon. I can't remember. So what I did was I just had the tab open onto the size of the bag that I wanted, set me in an alarm, got up, came to my computer, and I tried to do it on my phone. I was just on the page of the medium one. As soon as 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock my time, whatever time it was, hit, I just refreshed it, put the bag in my cart, added, went to checkout, and then it makes you wait. So it gives you like the little, don't refresh this page, you are in line to check out. I did not make an account prior to trying to secure the bag. Why didn't I do that? I don't know, but I did not make an account. I've heard that helps if you already have an account. You could just log on, and all of your information will populate, but I did not do that. Unfortunately, I had to actually go in and type all my credit card information and stuff in, and by the grace of God, the bag did not sell out while I was trying to purchase the bag. So I was able to get my hands on it. So I ordered the bag last Thursday on the 28th. It shipped out on Monday via UPS. And the bag was delivered today, which is Wednesday the 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. So yeah, it took about a week for me to get my bag. I guess that's typical for the normal orders. I know it takes longer if you do like the bag security situation. However, I've never done the bag security. I just ordered the normal way. So maybe just actually go on there. Let me not set my bag on the floor now. I say maybe go on there, set your account up, go to the page of the bag that you want, literally just leave it up, and set you a couple of alarms. If you could pull it up on a laptop, pull it up on a laptop. If you could pull it up on a phone, pull it up on your phone. You know, have everything logged in as soon as possible. Like, know what you want, have the money ready, and yeah, that's like, you just have to be ready to purchase the bag, because as soon as I checked out, I went to refresh it, or I went to look, and the medium and the small were sold out, and it looked like only the large was left, and right after that the large was gone too. So they believe the hype, believe the rumors, they sell out in minutes. Yeah, so you just got to be prepared. I will probably come back with like a review after I've carried the bag for a little while to see how it like holds up. I'm gonna see if like dye from my jeans, almost said denim from my jeans, dye from my jeans rubs off on the bag because this is such a bright color. I don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna see, you know, how carrying it every day, because I repeat, I am not gentle with my bags whatsoever. I am rough and tough when it comes to my bags. I don't babysit bags, so that's why I was a little weary on ordering from Telfar. Just because I know sometimes vegan leather and things aren't as strong as regular leather. And like I said, you kind of saw my Neverfull, and that's empty because I took some stuff out and been carrying a small little Kate Spade bag. But I'm not gentle with my bags at all. Like, I'm pretty rough. I toss them over my shoulder, toss them in the passenger seat, toss them in the back seat. Like, I don't baby my bags. So we're going to, maybe in about 2-3 months, so what is it, May, June, July-ish, maybe July, August, we'll come back with a like 3-month review to see like how the bag has been holding up, because I do plan on carrying this bag almost every day as my daily bag. So because it's not that big to where I feel like it's just gonna be in the way, it's a decent size, and I can carry my necessities. Like, I like to carry lotion, hand sanitizer, my wallet, my camera, things like that. So I need room in my bag. So like I said, I plan on carrying this bad boy every single day that I have to leave my house, at least, because we're still in a pandemic. Yeah, food, things like that. So I want to see how this bag holds up as far as like on a day-to-day, girl on the go. I keep feeling like my wig is slipping. Y'all ignore me. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up because now I'm being paranoid, thinking my wig is slipping. Whatever. Yeah, so here is the bag. Like I said, it's a beautiful shade. Yeah, you can follow my Instagram to see pictures of the bag, like how I wear it on the day-to-day. I don't think I have any shoes that matches this bag. We'll see. I might have to go get me some vinyl and make me a couple of t-shirts or something that matches this bag with my Cricut. We'll see. We'll revisit this. But yeah, here's the bag. It's beautiful. It seems sturdy. Like, the stitching and everything looks good. No weird smell. The pocket is intact. The pocket is also attached to the bag, so it's not loose like the Neverfull. The Neverfull, the pocket swings. Like, you can pick the pocket up. Oh no, don't lose my chapstick now. With the Telfar bag, the pocket is attached, like it does not move. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna have to get used to the pocket being in the front versus being in the back of the bag. I hope that's not a mistake and they didn't sew my bag together backwards. I hope that's normal, but yeah, I think this bag is beautiful. I love it. It's so cute. I love that the logo is like embossed in the same color. It's not like super gaudy or flashy. I mean, the color is, but not like logo mania. Like, the logo is embossed. It's not a big gold hardware or big silver hardware or anything like that. So love this. Look forward to like a 2 or 3 month update of me carrying it. Maybe a what's in my bag to show you like what I pack in this bag every single day and how it's holding up with that. And yeah, I will catch y'all in the next video. Be sure to follow me on Twitch. All of my links to all of my socials will be down below. So I stream video games on Twitch. I also have a beauty channel where I do like my salon stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos. I'm trying to get back into the habit and the swing of YouTube, so that will really help and keep me motivated. So check you guys out in the next one. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below in the description. And we are out.